morning. I am so excited because we're at the Singapore airport, which is it is the best airport in the world actually. And I am not with Maddie because she decided to sleep a little bit longer. So I'm exploring a couple terminals before we go to the best terminal. But right now I'm at this garden. They just have these little gardens everywhere. So we're gonna hang out here. Our flight leaves at basically 5 p.m. So we're gonna explore all day. I already dropped my bags off, so I'm very, very light. And we're gonna go from there. Finally joined us with some coffee and sleep. And we're gonna go on a little bike tour, self-guided tour. Since I downloaded the app, apparently I get these bikes for free for 2 hours. So we're gonna go biking, see a little bit of the city, and then go check out the rest of the airport. So, yeehaw. Awesome bike tour, but now we're in the Jewel Airport, which is what I was most excited for. This is the tallest indoor waterfall in the entire world. So we did the little canopy park tickets, and now we're just gonna walk around and see some more cool stuff. All showered up and we are headed to Thailand. I know this is a very short vlog, but you'll catch a longer vlog next week.